Hello everyone, Vauxhall or Opel Meriva 2011. Today I have to replace control arm. For this job I have to use impact gun, and now I want to show you one impact gun, and we'll see how strong it is and how it's good for this job. What we have in a set? Very nice reducer, 4 bits, few sockets. Oh, very good idea to make this part. Is it a drill adapter? Very good, sometimes needed. What we have here? Charger, 21-volt charger, 2 battery pack. Nice. And impact gun. Nice and solid impact gun. On specification it said it up to 1000 Newton meter. Now we will see if it's true. This socket from the set. Now we will start. Fit strongest position. Number 4. Ho-ho! Nice and easy. Look how bad this control arm. Ball joint still good, but it's absolutely rusty, and I don't think it's safety more. That's it. It have to be done definitely. That's it, job done. What I can say finally about this brushless impact gun, it definitely do the job. How you can see, I can easy break nuts from the wheel, easy break all bolts from the control arm. Yeah, that's cheap, quite cheap working horse, how I can say. Yeah, if you're looking for some impact gun, powerful impact gun, definitely you can try this. It's not really expensive, and I think you will be definitely happy. Go my link below and get very good deal for this impact gun. Thank you for watching.